Hi everyone, this is Pratik and I completed my bachelor's from Deshbandhu College, Delhi University. Currently, I am in IIT BHU for my master's in physics and will be graduating in 2022. So, in order to get into an IIT for your master's, you are invited to give this exam known as IIT JAM or Joint Admission Test for Masters, which is conducted by IIT itself. Not only IITs, other institutes like NITs, IISERs or even IISc take JAM score into consideration while admitting their students. So there are total 7 subjects you can give your exam in, like physics, chemistry, maths, biotechnology, mathematical statistics, geology or economics. You can either take one subject or you can also give exam in 2 subjects. So the exam is an objective type which is conducted via online mode. It is of total 100 marks, which is divided into 3 sections, section A, section B and section C, which we have to finish within 3 hours. So there are total 60 questions in the exam, out of which 30 are from section A, which are MCQs, and only MCQs have negative marking, which is of 1/3 if you give an incorrect answer. Section B have 10 questions, which are MSQs, multiple select questions, and section C consists of numerical answer type questions, and they are total 20 questions. So in total the question paper consists of 60 questions. So the exam consists of conceptual questions plus some numerical problems, which does need some preparation, and it totally depends on individual to take coaching for the preparation or not. In case of me, I took coaching from Career Endeavor in Delhi, and coaching helped me a lot to build some basic knowledge and basic understanding for my subject. Plus they give me a sense of discipline to be followed while preparation. So talking about the admission procedure, you have to first fill the form for the exam, which should be out by early September, and you will be given 1 month of time to fill your form. Then admit card will be released by late Jan, and the exam is conducted in the second week of February. So the results will be out by mid of March. You are ranked on the basis of your score. Then you have to sit in counseling, which generally consists of 3 lists. After 3 lists, your admission in a particular IIT will be finalized. So to get into an IIT, you don't have to face any interview rounds, but in order to get to higher institutes like IISc or IISER, you do have to sit in interviews, which will call you on the basis of your JAM scores. So the life here at IIT is quite amazing, plus you will get too many opportunities to excel. But with the new opportunities, you will get hardships also. So in the peer group, the teachers are quite motivating here. The teachers are so friendly, you can expect a teacher per student. So I will highly encourage you to prepare for IIT JAM exam so that you can get into IIT and be the better version of yourself. So all the best from me, and thank you.